Alright guys, bonus video time. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to put some fender skirts on Los Viejos. Got these new fender skirts from a good friend on Instagram. His name is Andrew. Let's take a look and see. These ones were pretty rough, so he sent them up to me. Said if I can use them, I can have them. Those are pretty cool.
Oh, cool. Oh, cool.
Yeah. The guy from the States sent them up to me.
That is pretty sweet. Well, it's gonna look sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What do you mean?
Look at him.
What's happening?
Fender skirts I got.
What?
Yeah.
Wow. Sounds like no tires. Oh.
So they are original StarCraft fender skirts. Pretty cool. I think this one here, they might both need a little bit of work in the corner here. And then they should have this rubber seal on them, but it's all brittle and the other one's missing completely. So this will probably just come off. Yeah, and then I will like I could order a new kit to put those on, but I might just run some double-sided foam tape or something like that. And then the only other things I'm missing, I think, are the two clamps here and here. So might run to the hardware store, see if there's some kind of alternative I can use. And then also see if they fit with my wheels. Because that's the other thing, is they might not fit with the wheels that I'm running. Okay, so clean these up a little bit. I know a lot of you lowrider and shiny hot rod guys are gonna cringe right now, but I'm leaving them just like they are. They go good with the patina look on the side of the car. So what I'm gonna do now is, because I didn't go and order like a hardware kit for them, so there's like a rubber piece that comes along the edge here. I've got some like two-sided tape that I'm just gonna peel one edge, stick it down along the edge, and that just stops like the squeaking and rubbing and scratching and stuff on the car. And then there's supposed to be like clamps that go here and clamp it to the car on top of this clamp as well. So there's this piece here that clamps onto the top edge of the car, and then you tighten these two clamps down. I don't have those clamps either, and honestly the clamp idea kind of scares me a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna run some cringy sheet metal screws and then I know it's not going anywhere. Yeah, I know, like, side of the road if you want to take it apart, blah 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 blah, but as we all know, I do not have spare tires anyways, so here we go. And that's a wrap on putting the fender skirts on Los Viejos. Pretty easy job, pretty short video, but yeah, not exactly the right way to do it. Obviously, you had a legit lowrider.
Nice cars, man.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you. If you had a legit lowrider, you would sand those down, bang all those dents out, and paint it to match the car. I think the red primer on there matches kind of where the red primer's showing through on my patina. So I'm gonna leave them just like that. Maybe one day we'll get some pinstriping on there or something like that. That'll look pretty sweet. But yeah, I'm gonna run them just like that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to see more. Keep cruise culture alive.